HD SLR Shooters special coverage of NAB 2017. Sponsored by Akitio, Aperture, ATOMOS, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, Light in Motion, Manios Digital and Film, Shape, Schneider, Sakonic, and Xylite.
Hi, Clement HD SLR Shooter, continuing our coverage of NAB 2017 with Tony and ATOMOS, and you guys have a lot of partners working with you these days, making your products greater. One of them is the cards that you use and everything like that, but you've got a couple of companies. Let's talk about the first one.
Yeah, well, we're lucky to have some really great partners. We've got a big community now. We've sold over 150,000 units, and when you get to that sort of size, we encourage our brands to come on the booth because we want to give extra solutions to our community. It's good to be able to promote to our community as well. So there's a couple. I've got one here to show you, and I'll show you a couple over here. But one from the drive point of view, one of the big reasons why we've been popular is outside of making amazing recording technology, monitoring technology, we've slashed media costs. And in fact, that is the reason why Jeremy first came up with samurais and ninjas. It was assassinating the cost of media, taking out this proprietary. So we've got two partners that are really close with us. In particular, we've got Angelbird and G-Tech's already on our booth here. This Angelbird solution, which is pretty cool, integrates the SSD with the Master Caddy, so it's not separate. It's a one-piece solution. You got finger grips here to let you pull it in and out. Heat sinks on the front to take out all of that heat and dissipate, because 4K 60 is massive amount, 1.8 gigabits per second of data transfer speed. So to get that away, they've got these heat sinks, and it's all in a really neat little SSD that slots straight into the unit and then into your dock in your way. So that's one great solution, and then we've got a couple to show you, G-Tech and X-Rite.
All right, Tony, continuing on, you guys partner with G-Tech, and they have some really cool things that already have your caddy design. Talk about it.
Yeah, sure. Well, G-Technology, the masters of making the workflow quicker, smoother, and more hassle-free, and they've done it with our caddies as well. So what they've done is we've got a ATOMOS edition, a G-Technology edition of our Master Caddy. So this can be used just like, it's got the dual rails on the side, used on any of our ATOMOS products in the field. But then instead of unscrewing it, taking out the SSD and figuring things out after the field, back in the studio, they've developed this cool little reader that just lets you slot the Master Caddy straight into that reader, and that can be used as a high-speed dock if you're in the field. But equally, once that's in, it just goes straight into the RAID systems or your desktop solutions for the EV series from G-Technology. So again, faster, more efficient workflows, super easy to get backups and archives going as well. So a really nifty little solution from G-Tech.
Yeah, absolutely, and a lot of people already have these drives as well, so it's excellent. And can people find out information on ATOMOS, or they need to go to G-Tech?
Yeah, both. ATOMOS.com or head out G-Technology website as well.
So, Tony, the calibration instrument company you guys are partnering with, talk about it.
Yeah, sure. X-Rite is one of our favorite brands to work with because having a high resolution screen, having HDR, high brightness range is all for nothing if your colors aren't accurate. So what we do is we partner with X-Rite. Rather than developing our own calibration system, we partner with the experts, and that's X-Rite. So they work already across studio monitoring and the like, and we use the existing model. So it's not an ATOMOS specific model, the X-Rite i1 Display Pro, and you can see here in a setup, it just hooks up here, straight on the middle of the screen, connects into your Mac or PC, and it'll run a series of color bursts that will be able to tell on the software how accurate display is and what changes do need to be made, and then using a serial cable coming back in, it'll update the unit for you. LCDs drift in color over time, and that's why all high-end monitors all have calibration built in, so you can be updating this every 4 to 6 weeks, and so we do the same. We're a high-end monitoring company, then we use X-Rite for that reason.
Well, no, it isn't, and if you've ever looked at trying to do it yourself, it's a very complex process. I mean, I've seen some of the charts on how to do it, so if something will do it automatically, you don't have an excuse anymore.
Exactly, and the same device will work on your Mac. So, you know, all technologies are different, but this is the best chance to make sure that what you're looking at in the field is going to be what you're going to be editing and grading on. So X-Rite, fantastic partner with us. They've been very popular at the show, and you should check it out. Yeah, well, you got it on all the details on our website again for that.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
HD SLR Shooters special coverage of NAB 2017. Sponsored by Akitio, Aperture, ATOMOS, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, Light in Motion, Manios Digital and Film, Shape, Schneider, Sakonic, and Xylite.